Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review written by one of our valued customers.
Simple Choice was great. They communicated with me through every step of the process and were able to get my windshield replaced right away. The tech that came out let me know when he was on his way, and the whole process was very easy on my part. I will definitely be using them again in the future.
We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.